Blessed love massive. Wagwan and whoops. Everybody's doing well. Want to say Happy New Year again. You see me I say? Blessed love and welcome to the channel again. You see me I say? Seen? So we're there again. And in today's video, we have a video coming up with King Shaba linking up with King Yellow, and Shaba had this to say about Yellow Man. Let's take a listen.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See, Jah, give me king this. And nothing can change that. I don't care who come or who go, nothing can dethrone this. Because I know none of you get a commercial yet. I really take. None of you. And when me took me in my 8 about Yellow Man out in Hawaii, I feel like send me out there, me and the man. Me have to realize that a good thing you did have respect. The rest would have feel like a shame dog.
So they ask them.
You said, who no jabber man? See the man here.
Okay.
If them man never get the first set of contract and show we how to walk the road.
Yeah.
Wait, no, never go up on BBC at top of the pops. So want to know about that? Eh? London cool. Come on.
Yes, man. One king there, I say. Yes, Shaba. Yeah, man. So further on in the video, we see DEMARCO come out and he must say some things right, you know. Because it look like Foot Hype still a get beaten all over the place. Where the him do a review and it look like the angel never feel too pleased about what him have to say about her, because he must say she owes, and the angel I say him never owes her, so why him a talk about? You see what I say? So Foot Hype still a get some beaten out there in the space, and yeah, we see DEMARCO come out and him attack some things. What when cause some problem between him and MAVADO. He must say him help MAVADO, and MAVADO feel for return back the favor. You see it? And Foot Hype kind of set him up against MAVADO. So make we listen what DEMARCO have to say. And you understand? We just see what I go on. Yeah, what?
So me I say, we really are going here, so. No, man. What kind? No, man. I'm styling's this, man. But yeah, so that thing they go on now with the MAVADO thing, car. Yo, from ever since, dog, me always, me instrumental enough for the big song them we go on. You see me? The arm on the rock, and me build that. You see me? Money don't change we your money change, and me build that. This is what the gangster life is like, and me build that. Time me I roll with busy, and me I'm busy every day we I roll. You see me? And yeah, the song we say, graveyard, funeral bell when we squeeze off, everything I go well, don't talk. Me see the man go sing all the song. Dub plate for Khalid, brother. For when I fully loaded them, Dub plate, the man go sing the song we write, give him, And not sing the 45 yet, So me I say, we really are going here, so. No, man. What kind? No, man. I'm styling's this, man. I can't understand this. The man sing the song dub plate for Khalid, DJ Khalid, and Rick Ross dub plate with Khalid and Rick Ross, I think, and somebody else. But him not sing the 45, him not sing the original on the rhythm. Me also what the fuck? No ratings not there, so. Then about after my boss and about 10 years after, this man go sing the same song on Sunshine Rhythm. What? So me I say, yo. No man, this not right. I said this not right, brother. So I know the big foot boy now have one reading my man say, yo, I say my them style of thing, yo, shoot no man. And me I say, you know, so me I go shoot.
So let me know what you think in the comment section about what DeMarco asked about foot hype and the whole thing. And is foot hype really corrupt as how people are making him be? You understand? Because foot hype name get called all over the place in a corruption, and it look like I say the people them a beat him bad about him behavior. You see me I say? But in the meantime, yeah man. On a more sadder note right here now, we see some madness are going over in Trinidad. Seen? And as much as we don't like what they go on in Jamaica, we attack say we don't like it. Seeing what go on in Trinidad, and it look awful. You see me I say? Yeah man, so we see a gang war go on between the 6 and the 7s. The two gang where they run Trinidad them say. And the man them some killing go on a highway the other day, and you understand? It look like a reprisal go on, and a young lady lost her life in it, and it no look good at all. It no look good at all. You see me I say?
And the man run out and jump out the car. Who is the criminal? She or the man? You know I don't think as I come in, get this where you want. Just that thing. You understand? All of we laughing, big up the Pennywise crew because them is more in there. The workers, big up every worker in Pennywise. Because them is more. You understand them girls? Them girls and devil, you know? Always used to treat my girl in Pennywise. When I chill, we crack up with this, with that. He has invest, not only invest, save all your little money. Save all your little money. Be independent. Even if all you brushing with this criminal man opening a banking account, when he get you the 10, the 20, the 30, the whatever, rack it up in your account. So when things get sticky and you know he close to death, because they come in for him, you pat your little cat down. Pat your cocoa down. Because you have a little 9 to 5, and plus all the money taken your banking account.
Yeah man, if you see the youth them destroy themselves like that still. Trinidad are too much of a small place. Because everybody's supposed to know everybody, and you understand? Every family is supposed to close with each other and them kind of sitting there. So what me hear go on, it sound like I say a friend turn enemy, and the whole thing just spill out in the street, and you understand? The violence just a continue, and as it a go on, me want to just urge the youth them in Trinidad for just, you understand? Let go the violence, man, and just, you understand? Continue make some money, you see it? Yeah, man, that's the order of the day, man. You understand? Don't make the beast send them machine come give the item for kill off the eye themselves, you see it? Yeah, man, Trinidad are too much of a beautiful place for them things they are going, you see it? Jamaica and Trinidad are two special places in the Caribbean, you know, and they are them for remember that, you know, you see it? And you can't destroy on yourself then kind of way, you see it? Yeah, man, because if you not go destroy on yourself then kind of way, you know, say some different kind of people go move in upon the place, you know. You see me I say so now for protect your life, protect your community. See? And don't kill off the eye themselves fire. Yeah. And further on upon the whole madness same way too. We see a video that go around with a two little girl a fight. Seen? And we see some adults where come down, some big women, you know, come down now. When you that thing say apart the people them a go part the fight. You understand? The big woman them go down they go hold the little girl, and you understand? Bust up her head and all kind of things, brethren. And when we come down to this, like, how we are move so savage against one another, man. It's like we lost the whole vibe of love, and you understand, nobody have no respect for nobody again, and you understand the whole community vibration kind of just break down, and we don't like see them sitting there going in the news and on the internet and them kind of sitting there. You see it look bad, man. So we want to ask the people them for just, you understand, straighten up there themselves, man. Seeing? Straighten up there themselves, man. The big people them for stop going like I said them a pitney, and you understand, and pitney for stop going like I said them a big people seeing way to, cause it look like the whole thing just gone upside down, like a right or wrong and wrong or right nowadays. You see it, and we need to set back things straight. You see me I say? Yeah, man. So after una see what go on there, so una tell me what una think in the comment section. Tell me if una think say as a people if we are get better, or it come like I say we are get worse as we get more and more information, and we can just have everything at our fingertip, but yet we lifestyle coming like I say we are devolving to some kind of, you understand, some monster kind of behavior we are portray in a society. You see it? So we just want to ask the people and for just, you understand, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and you understand, if you like the video, just, you understand, press the like button same way. And give thanks to the ones that will watch the video today and same way. You see it, and go and bless up there themselves. More love and more respect. Yeah, man.